In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote Clickbank affiliate products for free and make money. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing online, one of the biggest marketplaces to find affiliate products to promote is Clickbank. So I get a lot of comments and a lot of emails from people who want to make money on Clickbank, but they don't have any money to invest in ads. They want to know what is the best way to actually get traffic to affiliate products in Clickbank and actually make money, because what we want is to be able to make a few sales per day and make perhaps $50, $100 per day. So I'm going to show you a real life example of how you can actually promote affiliate products on Clickbank for free without spending any money in ads whatsoever. Now I do have a free affiliate marketing guide which you can download in the description below, with over 40 pages that can teach you the basics of affiliate marketing. So if you want multiple ways to make money with affiliate marketing, this guide will teach you the different ways that you can make money right now if you want to make money with affiliate marketing. So like I said, it's 100% free. You can download it by clicking the link in the description below. Alright, so in order for me to show you, I'm going to need to jump into my computer and show you exactly how this works. Alright guys, so without a doubt, the most effective way for you to promote affiliate products on Clickbank for free is utilizing video reviews. I want to show you a real life example of how video reviews and how using YouTube can help you get sales over and over again if you apply this technique properly. So I'm inside the Clickbank marketplace for the category of affiliate marketing. And as you can see, this product comes out on top, the Clickbank University, and the average sale for this product is $219.34. So that means if you're able to get a sale, an affiliate sale, your commission could be $219. Now I want to show you what that product actually looks like. And this is a product promoted heavily by Clickbank. They want you to sell this product because it pays recurring commissions. And as you can see, this is the multiple offers that they have. Now I'm showing you this because I want to show you that I created a video review on that specific offer. If I actually were promoting this product, which I'm not an affiliate of the product, I could get up to $219.34 per sale. And I actually have the #2 spot on YouTube for Clickbank University review. As you guys know, whenever someone is trying to buy a new product or service, they usually go online and search for reviews because they want to find out whether something is actually legit or not. So I created this video, as you can see, over a year ago. It has over 9,000 views. 8-minute video basically explaining the whole concept of Clickbank University and how it works. And this video has been sitting on the #2 spot for over a year. With over 9,000 views, if I were actually promoting this product as an affiliate, I would have made some good money promoting this product. Now I actually chose not to promote this affiliate offer, mainly because I didn't think it was actually a good fit for me to promote. So I decided to simply just create the review and that's it. So if we go on Google and we type Clickbank University, out of 923,000 results, you can see that my video ranks in the first page right below the Clickbank University website. My video is sitting there. Now, guess what? I didn't spend any money whatsoever to promote this video in any way. I actually didn't spend any money in advertising. I simply created the video, optimized the video for YouTube, and the video actually with time started ranking on the first page of YouTube. Now, because there was very little competition, it was actually pretty easy to rank on the first page of YouTube. That's the thing about promoting digital products from Clickbank. Usually you'll find very little competition, and basically you can rank. Even if you don't have 10,000 subscribers on your channel, you'll be able to rank your videos even if you don't have any subscribers. By ranking your videos on the first page of YouTube, you now have the potential of people seeing your video before they actually decide to buy the product. If they actually buy the product to your link, you'll be able to make some good money. The best part is that you don't have to spend any money. The only thing you have to do is create the video itself and actually create the reviews, which actually will take some of your time. But as you can see, it is well worth it, because this video probably took me an hour, 2 hours to just put the entire video together, edit the video, upload the video on YouTube, and it continues to get views over and over again every single day. Now let's take a look at another example. I want to show you that this actually works. So if we take a look at this product right here, Simple Wi-Fi Profits. This product has an average sale of $420. So that means they have multiple upsells, which if someone decides to get all the upsells, you can make up to $420. Now, if we go on YouTube and we type simple Wi-Fi profits review, you can see that this guy right here, this guy, they have multiple videos created about this specific product, and the videos have barely any views. This one was created over a week ago, has 200 views. So I'm going to show you his channel so you can see what I mean. So this guy has 746 subscribers to his channel, and yet he has a top ranking, the #2 spot on YouTube for simple Wi-Fi profits review. So that means there's very little competition. You don't need to have a ton of subscribers. You don't need to be a big YouTuber to be able to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube, because these keywords basically don't have a lot of people searching for them. The only people who are going to search for things like this is someone who's already looking to buy the product and they want to see what the product actually is, what they offer, before making a decision to actually go and buy the product. And clearly you can see that this is something that he actually does over and over again. You have multiple reviews, and the entire channel is basically dedicated to creating videos to promote different affiliate products from Clickbank. But even if he's able to get just one sale a day from any of his videos, this is basically money coming in automatically for something that he did one time. So this is why video reviews are such a powerful way to promote affiliate products without spending any money. You can do this for free. It's all about taking the time to actually create the videos and actually going through all the information, researching the product for you to create a good review that people feel confident enough to go and buy the product from your link. So guys, without a doubt, videos are the best way to promote affiliate products for free without you spending any money whatsoever, because YouTube and Google are the biggest search engines online, and when someone is looking to buy something, they usually look for reviews. So by utilizing YouTube as a way for you to rank your videos with very little competition, as you can see in the example that I just showed you, very little competition, you can rank on the first page of YouTube and basically rank also on the first page of Google. So if someone has the intention of actually buying a product, they usually go for reviews first. So if they watch your video and they decide to purchase through your link, you make money. And guess what? Making that video probably took you a few minutes to make, and at the same time, that video will sit on YouTube and Google for years to come. So let's do some basic math to show you the potential of actually using this strategy to make money with Clickbank. Let's say you can only make just 2 videos per month. So that means at the end of the year, you're gonna have 24 videos sitting on YouTube. If you were to just make $100 per month for each of those videos by just getting 1 or 2 sales on each of those videos, so that means you're gonna make an extra $2,400 for videos that took you a few minutes to make, and they're gonna be sitting there getting you sales every single month. So the more videos you have, the more opportunity you have of getting sales, especially if you take the time to create some good review videos. Now remember, this is a free way of making money with Clickbank. There are multiple ways to promote Clickbank affiliate products. There's multiple paid strategies that you can use to get lots of sales on Clickbank fairly quick. But if you don't have any money to spend right now and you simply want to try and get some affiliate sales on Clickbank, video reviews are cheap, easy, and at best you can get monthly sales as long as your videos rank on the first page of YouTube. So I really hope that this video can give you some ideas on how you can promote affiliate products on Clickbank. And if you did find it helpful, all I ask is to simply hit that like button below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.